how long is safe to leave products in your hair. So most products will give you a guideline, like with a shower cap 10 to 15 minutes mark. But the thing is, with our kinky hair, yeah, and especially when your hair is long and your hair is big, sometimes really leaving in products for your hair for that specified time actually does nothing for our hair. I don't know why. I've tried it myself. I don't know why. And I've also seen some other YouTubers who also say that mark time really does nothing for their hair. So for you to really enjoy the conditioning properties of a store-bought product, we always like go overboard, so we get it. So store-bought products, well, basically it depends. 2 hours is okay, 8 hours is okay, but you also have to check with your hair if it takes that. My hair doesn't. I've tried leaving products in my hair, like conditioners basically, in my hair overnight, and by the next day my hair doesn't feel good. So I would say for store-bought products, you should check for yourself and what product it is you're putting in your hair. Then for DIY products, now you should know they are degradable. Okay, so whenever you take them out of their life source, which is the ground or earth, they start to degrade. Yeah, and you don't want to put heat. Of course, you know, most times perishables hastily perish as a result of heat. Now you don't want to put avocado and banana in your hair and then you now go in with heat and leave it for so long. Yeah, you don't want to leave that stuff in your hair. It is injurious in the sense that it can lead surely bacteria, fungi on your scalp, weaken your scalp, because after it's doing good and you now unleash bacteria on your strands, it will of course become injurious. It can invite a host of lice to your hair. You don't want that. So seriously, when you're using a DIY for your hair, you should leave it max, I think 45 minutes is okay. That should be the max, because yeah, then 30 minutes is fine, and the rest, yeah. I know someone who uses rice water and said she started noticing that she was having dandruff in her hair and all that. She actually leaves the rice water in her hair without rinsing it out. You don't want to go in with products and rather get a negative result from something really good that the products could do for you. Okay, so let's know this information to help us. I'm sharing because I've experienced a couple of these. I love you.